Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Todoist app for cross-device reminders. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open the Todoist app on your device. Navigate to the home screen. Locate the three horizontal lines in the top left corner. Tap on the menu icon to open the side menu. Scroll down to find the settings option. Select settings to enter the app's configuration area. In the settings menu, look for the reminder option. Tap on reminders to access reminder preferences. Check if there are any available updates listed. If updates are available, follow the prompts to install them. After updating, return to the home screen. Select a task for which you want to set a reminder. Tap on the task to view its details. Look for the Add Reminder option within the task details. Choose your preferred reminder time. Opt to sync reminders across devices if prompted. Ensure your Todoist account is logged in on all devices. Open the app on the other devices. Check that the reminder appears on each device. Adjust any settings if necessary. You have successfully updated the Todoist app for cross-device reminders. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.